Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you all how I cornrow my natural hair. This is a protective hairstyle for all natural hair gangs. So the first thing I'm going to do is to pick up a little comb, and then separate a little amount of hair from my natural hair. It gets a little bit tricky when you're trying to do this separation, so you want to take your time so that you get it right. At this point, I'm going to start making the cornrows, and I'll divide the front of my hair into three like this, and I'll be using my both hands to enable me do this. So this is how you're going to hold your hair when you want to start. This is how you're going to hold it. So I'll just be exchanging the strands of hair that I have in between both hands. So for the strand at the middle, if it's in my right hand, I'll move it over to the left. If it's in my left hand, I'll move it over to the right. That's just what I'll be doing. You have three strands, and you've divided them into three. You've divided your hair at the front into three. So once you have a strand at the middle, move it over to your left hand. If you have another at the middle again, move it over to your right hand. That's just it basically. I believe before the end of this video you're going to understand what I'm doing properly. I'm just trying to make it look like I wanted to make box braid, but at this point, in order to move all over to the back while I plait, I'm going to pick some strands of hair at the back. So this is what I'll do. I'll just add a little bit of strand in between the three strands that I have divided. I'm just going to add hair while I plait. I hope that you guys understand what I'm saying. So this is it, guys. Just add a little at the middle right there. Add another again at the middle. So with your right hand, take that to your left hand, and then with your left hand, add a little bit at the middle, take it to your right hand like this, and then with your right hand, add a little bit of hair at the middle, take it over to your left hand like this. So this is just what I'll be doing throughout in this tutorial. It can be really tiring when you're doing this for yourself, especially when you're doing this for the first time. You discover that your hands will begin to ache, even your fingers will go numb. But while you practice daily, you also discover that your fingers will become more flexible, and even your hands will be able to last longer than they were when you began. So once you're done, when you reach the back of your hair, just plait everything until you reach the tail end. I'm just going to repeat the same process. It can be tricky also when you're trying to do this for yourself. You will notice that you have more hair at the front of your head than at the back, like you have lesser hair at the back than at the front. So when you're trying to separate your hair, what you have to do is you have to cut more hair at the front than at the back, so that the hair that you've made at the front will be able to contain at the back. I hope that you guys understand what I'm saying. So I'm just going to knot the remaining hair into a little bun so that it doesn't interfere while I plait. I'm going to divide my hair at the front again into 3 like this, and then this is just how I'm going to hold it. Like I said before, try making it look like you're trying to make a box braid. So you can just work with your both hands. The hair at the middle in your right hand, take it over to the left, and then the one at your left hand, take it over to the right. That is just it basically. And then while doing this, make sure that your cornrow is tight. Let your hands be as close to your scalp as possible, not extremely tight, but then you want to make sure that you do something that can last for a while. So let your hands be close to your scalp. So this is it, guys. This is basically how much I can explain this. While you're making your cornrow, while you're taking it to the back, make sure that you pick a little bit of strand that is in the middle of your hand, maybe your right or left, and then take it to the other hand. You're just making sure that you exchange here and there. This is very easy to learn. So many ladies put on wigs these days, so you can easily just learn this so that when you want to go out, you can just quickly do this for yourself and then place your wig on top your head. It's very easy. Or you could even do this for yourself and then take it out like this, as long as it's very, very neat. So guys, we're almost done with this tutorial. This is the last hair that I'll be making. I'm just going to repeat the same thing for the hair at the middle. In your right hand, take it over to your left, take it to your right, take it to your left, like this. Make sure that your braid is strong. Let it be firm so that everything will not unravel in 2 days or even in a day. So make sure that your hands are close to your scalp. Let there be a little bit of tension. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this video has been helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section. If you want to see more of this kind of videos, please comment in the comment section. If you've not turned on your notification button, please do that so that each time I post, you get the notification and you'll be the first to know. Thank you all so much for watching. If you loved this video, like I said before, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and also don't forget to comment in the comment section. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.